we're on our way.
Yes. I think we're about an hour away from Weeki Wachie, Florida.
It's 7:20 in the morning. We're super excited. We probably got like 5 hours of sleep.
That's a good guesstimate. We are meeting up with a couple of our friends. We are just like really thrilled. Weeki Wachie Kayaking is what we're going to be doing today. So if you are new to our channel,
hello, hi, and
welcome. We did not script that one. No, but we do a lot of travel channel. We are a travel channel. We try to do a lot of travel videos for you guys, mainly in Florida. We do a lot of theme park stuff, but we're trying to get away from the theme parks and start doing stuff outside, because though you guys travel to Florida to do the theme parks, there's a lot of other things to do, because Florida is a beautiful state. It really is.
The nice and humid weather.
Yes, it is. All right, think about this. When you wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, what is your temperature? Comment down below, because right now it's 81 degrees and humid as all get out.
See?
So, but guys, if you are new, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers because
we can go live.
Yeah, exactly. Because we want to spend as much time with you guys, just like you guys want to spend time with us. We
want to get to know you guys.
We
do.
So
please leave those comments.
We do. And hit that like button.
So we're on the observation deck with our little friend. It's a pretty cool view, huh?
It is.
Did you hear him?
Yeah. We're not all the way up. Oh, there's another one. Look.
Ah. Ah.
Did you see?
Ah.
You see the other one?
That is the same one.
No.
From there.
No, he went over there. That's the other. That's Mama. Or.
You want to go up?
Or Karen. Yeah, I'm game.
All right, let's go.
Okay, don't look down.
That's how far up we went. Our car is over there. This is cool. I wonder what else they have around here. We should go look. We stopped at a little park area.
We did.
Want to see what else they have before we go? What is it? Kayaking?
Kayaking.
We've never been kayaking.
I have.
Have I?
No. You've been canoeing.
Yeah, because my grandpa gave us the canoe. Look, it's our friend. Hi! No? Okay. Look at all that land, how pretty.
I know. Oh, look. Is that the ocean? The Gulf of Mexico?
I think so. Over here, I'll zoom in. Brian's talking about over here. Oh no, focus.
That looks like the Gulf. So we're just sitting here chilling. You can see Amber in the sun right over here. It's actually pretty fun. Nice little workout. It was $35 per person for a single or $40 for a double. So it's pretty nice. Nice ceramic. There's no, I don't know if you can tell, but there's no shade whatsoever out there in the middle of the lake. They got these little pockets here that actually are shaded, but it's been a lot of fun. She's coming. We're waiting on our friends. They're got delayed. But look at Amber.
A lot of traffic.
There is. So right where you launch out of, there's a lot of traffic. But so if you want to go right, you paddle on the right side. If you want to go left, you paddle on the left side.
No, it's the opposite.
Is it the opposite? I don't know.
Right to go left, left to go right.
Yeah, that's what I meant. So you paddle on the right to go left, you paddle on the left to go right. But this has been a lot of fun. We haven't seen any wildlife because there's a lot of people. So hopefully the traffic will clear so we can...
We just got with a lot of people because you have to get here by what, 10?
Yeah, obviously earlier the better. So we were kind of hoping for a double, but they were sold out. Oh well. Maybe Amber will want to buy one at some point.
There's our friends.
There they are.
I can't do nothing now.
We got a jam.
And no one's around us.
No. Look how crystal the river is.
Hang on to him because he floats back.
You know what I
do. I don't know what the hell it is.
So I apologize for the bad quality in audio. We are on our GoPro. The other camera's getting too wet. But look at this greenery. It is just simply amazing. The water's clear. Everything is amazing. Okay, so this guy right back here is struggling.
We're all just like...
And his daughter just like, yeah, whatever. But
What do you want me to do?
hold on to him.
I go with him and then Amber went. So
I was like, nope, not working.
So, but this is a lot of fun. So what's cool is they have these pockets over here on the side that allows you to do whatever, like rest and all that kind of slowly. So it's a 4.5 mile trek. And then you turn around. We decided to turn around about the 2.5 mile mark. But it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun. And like I said, this is our GoPro, so I'm not sure how the sound is. So hopefully it's not too bad of quality. And there's Miss Amber.
There goes Brian and Sarah. We're going back. It's like, we're at the like 2.5 mark maybe. Oh no. I need to put you down because I can't steer.
So we're coming close. They have a lot of these houses, kind of like we saw in the Keys. And they have a lot of like no trespassing signs and all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool though. Hey, so as you can tell, we got burned.
Yay!
So going upstream, I'm sorry for the echo, but going upstream
Was very difficult.
it was
Keep that in mind. We did about 2.5, maybe 3 miles, and then we were like, nope, when we turned back. We try to get as much video as we can, but it's probably short.
It was hard because of current. When you go out, you have to go up current, and so it was like fighting that and then trying to record.
And then there was so much traffic.
Oh, I know.
There's so many people when we got there, like it was crazy.
Yeah, and then coming back, there was a lot of, every time you went around the curve, there was a group of people that were swimming in the water and all that kind of stuff, which is cool because, like, you know, you have these little pockets and stuff.
Yeah.
That they're hanging out in the shade, but it's like, man, just.
There's a lot of curves and stuff, which you don't realize how far you go because you're like, yeah, you got it. But don't use all your strength going upstream.
No.
Because we did that, and we always tell you guys learn from our mistakes. Like you can tell it was rough.
Yeah.
It was a rough.
Yeah.
rough thing.
The other thing too is Weeki Wachie is about 2 hours away from Disney. So if you are renting a car and staying on the resort or whatever the case is, and you want to get out, they do rent kayaks over at Fort Wilderness, but you only hang out in Seven Seas Lagoon, we believe. But this is really cool. I mean, if you're here between November and March,
You can see manatees.
I know, that's so cool. I would love that. But
It's really cool. Like the water's clear, and then there's like times where it's like shallow, and then deep, and there's like, and then with your oars, like, oh my gosh.
and trying to do this out with my arms like,
Look at that. I even got.
oh.
Look, my ring.
So I don't know what else to say. Oh my god.
Yeah, look how.
Sorry,
good
we're like, oh wow.
It's different than the car when you look.
So we applied sunscreen when we got out of the car.
We put bug spray on too
Yep.
because you get bugs everywhere.
If you stop in one of the pockets, you have shade, and that's where a lot of the mosquitoes come out and go, "Hey, dinner."
But it's hard to like park to the side because you know all that stuff.
But if you made it this far, guys, we really hope that the video was good. Give you guys some information.
Sorry.
Again, we paid $35 per kayak, and you had all day as long as you got it back by 5.
So they open at 8, but you have to be there by 10 with your reservation and to pick up your kayak.
Yeah, by 10. So
and then sorry to interrupt you, but on the kayak there's a life vest in the very back. Like you have to have it with you. You don't have to wear it if you don't want.
Yeah, guys, we really hope that this is something for you guys to try out.
It could be an all-day thing, like, or if you stay overnight or something, you have an extra day, you don't want to do Disney or anything else. It was cool. I'd go back.
Get a workout.
I would want to see more water though, because we were just in the canal creek area.
Yeah, I think there's another place around the corner that does boats, so
that would probably be better.
Yeah. But guys, thank you so much. Sorry for the long outro. We do appreciate you guys' love and support. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.